Center here in Cleveland, Ohio with your Northeast Ohio forecast and a look at the week ahead. First up, I just want to say we have a quiet next couple of days, today and tomorrow. The light lingering lake effect snow, it is winding down and things are looking quiet. But in the week ahead, this is what we're tracking. First up, a warming trend. Temperatures are going to get to above average readings, rounds of rain, not snow, rain. And one thing we're watching, Tuesday morning, we can have an icy commute. So we'll talk more about that coming up in just a few seconds here. First up here, your 8-hour forecast. Today we still have some light lingering snow showers around this morning. Again, with winds shifting, this is tapering off. And we've got some sunshine around later this afternoon. Temperatures not quite as cold as yesterday. We're headed back into the mid-20s and no sub-zero wind chills. Wind chills this afternoon with these mid-20s will likely be in the teens. So here's a look at Storm Fox right now. And again, we still have some pesky lake effect snow showers here out in eastern Cuyahoga and into mainly southern Geauga County. So this extends from Garfield Heights down towards Walton Hills over into Beechwood, Russell, right along Route 87 here from Newberry into Middlefield. And then we're seeing some light snow showers in and around Huntsburg. Again, the coverage low and it should be wrapping up momentarily because I expect high pressure to build in and winds to shift. In fact, some areas seeing some sunshine already. We're reporting a partly sunny to fair sky out in our far southwestern communities and in fact out towards Put-in Bay as well. So not a lot going on as you widen out the view. Much of the Great Lakes have shut down. So here's a look at your hour by hour forecast. At 2 o'clock, mid-20s. As we head into the night, we'll likely have temperatures drop back into the teens with that partial clearing going on, meaning tomorrow morning, yeah, it'll still be a cold start. Temperatures in the teens, which is actually typical this time of year. Believe it or not, we're still in January. But from there, we're headed with winds out of the south back into the lower 30s in the afternoon. Tomorrow, clouds will increase throughout the day. We remain quiet throughout your Monday, but Monday night, here's where things start to change. Just after midnight, the next system moves in. It'll initially start off with some ice, even some snow showers, as temperatures will hover right around freezing. So this will be right before the morning commute and possibly during the commute for some of us, but untreated surfaces could be slick with some icy conditions. So we'll watch that. In fact, Futurecast does want to bring in some bursts of snow here in our far southeastern communities where we stay right around freezing through the morning hours. By the time we get towards 10 o'clock, I'm expecting that mix of freezing rain and or snow to be out of here. And with temperatures warming back up into the upper 30s, just some scattered rain showers around throughout much of the morning and into the afternoon. So we're keeping an eye on this. Freezing rain early morning on Tuesday, a possible slick Tuesday morning commute, and then it transitions over to all rain by 9, 10 o'clock. Looking ahead, several rain chances for us. I'm telling you, our temperatures headed above average by about 10 to 15 degrees. And with that, we've got several rounds. So the first one I just highlighted, Tuesday. This one's Wednesday. Front moves in. It's a warm front, so the morning hours we'll have a few scattered rain showers around associated with it. But other than that, Wednesday afternoon looking dry. It's Wednesday night into Thursday where we have widespread rain. So kiss the snow on the ground goodbye. We'll be on the lookout for maybe some minor flooding in spots with the snow melt and with the several rounds of rain. So that's another issue that we could have to contend with here during the week. By Friday morning, things start to wrap up. We'll have a few lingering light showers out in our far northeastern communities, but we're remaining cloudy at the end of the week, and our temperatures headed back down. In fact, as I look ahead into the final days of January, it looks like we'll actually have another cold spell. So yesterday we hit 19 degrees, our average high 36. Let's talk snow. Because so far for the month, we've picked up 9.5 inches. For the season, 16 inches. So, I mean, we've made up the deficit for the month. We're still about 2 inches below average. But for the season, we're down about 12 inches. Akron, Canton, your snowfall total so far this season, just 10 inches, about 5.5 in Mansfield. Let me go ahead and look at some of the latest. I'm waiting on the National Weather Service to come up with more numbers for us here as we head through the day today. But as far as what occurred overnight, see if they have some late, no, a lot of it coming in out of Erie, PA. That's where the snow was through the night. But here are so far the highest event amounts. Pierpont picked up 16 inches, Garfield Heights 14, a foot of snow in Broadview Heights, 11 inches in Macedonia, and just yesterday in South Russell, in places where this observer was, picked up 7 inches of snow. Remember, we had bursts of snow and this lingering snow band across parts of our primary and also secondary snowbelt yesterday. At times, you know, you get into this and you'd have the low visibilities and quick accumulations. Most areas picking up anywhere between 1 to 3 inches in the snowbelt with that burst yesterday. Jefferson, 5 inches. So looking ahead here, okay, so I already showed you this, but I also wanted to show you our Lake Erie ice coverage, because a week ago we had absolutely no ice on Lake Erie. As of this morning, our ice coverage now up to 27%, so rapid increase over the week. But that's going to stop. We've got at least, I'd say, 36, maybe 48 hours here for more ice to form, but then here it comes. Here comes that warming trend, and we go from 10 below average to 10 to 15 degrees above average. So what does that look like on the 8-day? Let me show you the 8-day, because we're getting close to the 11 a.m. hour, and our 11 a.m. show is back. So if you want to tune in, we'll have all the latest news and weather, of course, for you. Jasmine will be joining me. I'll give you the news. Here's a look at your 8-day forecast. Again, 25 today, 34 tomorrow. That's your quiet day. Start off with some sunshine, clouds increasing, and then watching out for the icy conditions of Tuesday morning. Otherwise, rain through much of the day. I think the evening will start to get a break. We have the front move in Wednesday morning, so umbrellas needed at that point. Temperatures above freezing, so this will be an all rain event. Thursday, widespread rain that can linger into early Friday, and then we're quiet over the weekend. Mostly cloudy with temperatures right around 40 degrees. So kids, snowboard, skiing, sled ride, take advantage of the snow now because it is disappearing. All right, I hope you can join me at 11. Jasmine and I will be with you. In the meantime, have a great week.